Who are you? Who are you? How did you find me? Have you come to mock me? What are you doing here? Are you real? Are you? How did you get in? Don't you hear them around? How were you able to come inside? Nobody ever comes to visit me. Nobody ever comes. Have you come to rescue me? What are you doing here? They keep everybody away from me. They keep me alone. Have they seen you? Have they seen you come in? Have they seen you? My tribe. My tribe. They let me wear the tribe colors, but they hide me. They hide me from people. They don't want anybody to know. It's because of the darkness. The darkness. You see. I'm cursed. There's darkness inside. And that darkness grows and it spreads. So they keep me locked away. There's darkness and they cannot see the things that I see. So they put me here. They locked me here and they don't let me out. I never go out. I forgot. I forgot what sun looks like. Do you want me to show you? If you let me walk with you, I'm gonna show you hell. Do you want me to show you? If you want to, I will show you. I will show you. I will show you. I see things. Don't you hear it? It's already here. It's behind you. It's behind you. It's behind you. Do you feel it? It's already here. They are afraid of me. They are ashamed of me. They don't want people pointing fingers. Because of my darkness. They don't want anybody with darkness around. But since my father is the chief, they keep me around. That's why I'm still alive. But can't you hear it? Can't you hear it? Tell me that you can hear it. Can't you hear the voice? It's here. It speaks to me. It speaks to me. It tells me things. Can't you hear it? Tell me you can. Tell me you can hear it. I spend my days here, alone, with the voices. The voices are inside. I spend my days here. Nobody ever comes. I try to kill the darkness, but it's always the same. Can you see it? Can you see the castle? I can see ashes falling on my arms and my hand. I can see the ashes. They are falling. And there people are screaming in pain. They are in pain. And there's a castle there. Behind the stairs. You go up the stairs, there's the castle. Can't you see it? Tell me you can see it. This is the land of the sad. That's where I live. And the voice, it tells me tells me I'm cursed. I'm cursed. He tells me I'm cursed. And everybody tells me. Everybody tells me that there's no cure. That there is no cure for the darkness. It just grows and grows until one day it becomes bigger than you. Bigger, bigger. It becomes bigger than you. Can you hear them? They are outside, but here the sun never shines. I'm cold. I'm cold. Do you? I'm cold. Even though those people are burning, they are burning. It's hell. It's the land of the sad. The sun never shines. The ashes always falls. And do you hear the voice? The voice that tells you. He tells me things. Darkness is going to kill me. It grows. It grows inside of me and it's going to kill me. And everybody has forsaken me. They have forsaken me. They don't want me around. They don't want me around. I'm alone all the time. No, can you make the voice stop? Can you shut it up? Please. I want it to shut up. No. 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 You're not here. You're not here. It's not true. It's not true. My life is not worthless. I am not worthless. I'm not worthless. I'm not stupid. No. Shut up. Shut up. I'm not worthless. I'm not gonna die. I'm not gonna die. I don't wanna die. Tell the voice. Tell the voice. Tell the voice. Tell them we don't wanna die. Can you hear the drums? Can you hear the drums around? They are getting ready. Maybe they will. Maybe they will sacrifice me. Maybe my time has come, but I don't wanna die. I don't wanna die. And there's the voice. The voice tells me. You wanna know what it tells me? It tells me my life has no sense. That nothing that I do is good enough. I'm not good enough, so they hide me. They found a bottomless pit of darkness to put me into it. They are ashamed of me, and no. They are afraid of me. But it's not me that they should be afraid of. They should be afraid of the things that I see, of the land, of the sand. I can hear the drums. Can you hear the drums? My life is not worthless. Sometimes I feel like I'm gonna do great things. I'm gonna do great things. Sometimes I feel I was sent here to do great things, but sometimes I feel like I want to end it all. Because they're gonna end it anyway. And the darkness, it spreads. It spreads through the world. And there's nothing I can do about it. There's nothing I can do to stop it. And the drums are drumming. sometimes tell me that nobody loves me, that I should just end it all. Do you think I should end it all? Do you? Do you think I should end it all? Do you think that there's a way out of this pit, valley of the shadow of death? This place used to be my home. Until the voice came, It used to be my home. I can hear the drums. They will take me. I'm scared. I'm scared. I'm scared. I'm scared. I don't want to go. I don't think it's my time to go. I have so many things to do. I have so many places to see outside of this village. It's outside of the pit. I want to see the sky. I want to hear laughter and singing. But the voice is relentless. It's just, it never leaves me alone. It never leaves me alone. You're worthless. You mean nothing. Your life means nothing. Nobody loves you. You should just end it all. You're a worthless piece of shit. Your life doesn't matter. You don't matter. If you went away, nobody would even cry. And it takes me to these places. Sometimes it takes me to this place where air feels like water, and there are these creatures that are creatures of light, and I feel like I'm gonna suffocate, and I cannot go back. I see my body, but I'm trapped, and I cannot go back. I wanna go back. I wanna go back. Life was so much simpler back then. You know, when I didn't hear the voice. It's here. It's in this room. It's here with us. You don't feel it. You know, when I was a girl, I didn't hear the voice. Everything made sense. It was a happy living. I didn't choose this. This is not my fault. I shouldn't be punished for this. I shouldn't be punished. Why am I being punished for this? Why am I being shunned from society? Just because they don't know how to help me. Is it my fault? It's not my fault. They don't know how to help me. They don't know how to stop the voice. They don't know how to stop the sadness. They don't know. Sometimes I want to hurt myself, and I want to see so alone. I'm so scared. I'm scared. I'm so tired. I'm tired. I'm tired of them not even looking at me. What have I done to them? What did I do to them? What have I done to deserve this? You see, my hand, it's the same as your hand. My eyes, they are just like your eyes. Surely we can beat this darkness together. Surely we can. Just take me with you. Please. Take me with you. I see things. I see things move in the trees. I can hear the drums. I see things move in the trees. Don't you see them too? They are like legends moving in the forest. They move. They move. They will come and they will get me. I just wanted to stop. I just wanted to stop. I want to be like I used to be. I want to be like I used to be. I just wanted to stop. Can you make it stop? I don't want to live in hell anymore. Can you hear me? Are you real? Tell me you're real. Tell me you can hear me. Tell me you can hear me. Are you real? Are you real? Why does my hand go through you? Why does my hand go through you? No. 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 You're worthless. Your life means nothing. It doesn't matter if you live or you die. It's all the same. How many of us need to die before somebody comes and kills the monsters? How many need to go away? And the voice just keeps on saying stuff. No. 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 I don't want to listen to you anymore. I don't want to listen to you anymore. I'm tired. And you were not real. You have nobody to share my story with. And the monsters in the forest move. There are monsters in the trees. They keep on moving. They just move closer and closer until one day they're gonna be here, or the darkness is just gonna outgrow